Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Avni and my channel name is Rahul Vibe. Today we're going to go to Adiyogi. We're not even close. We have like 1 hour and 54 minutes left. We were actually supposed to leave at 1, but we didn't leave at 1 some year for no good reason. So right now we're stuck in traffic. We're moving forward. So it's really weird how it's like these days when I'm going to Karnataka and all, like there's not much traffic, but then today there's traffic because it's Saturday and like who doesn't go out on Saturday? So pretty. I love the view. So pretty. Oh my god. I just love it. Why? There are so many pictures to take. I'm like, they're so pretty. Like, wow. Like, just so many to show. And we can have our grapes right here. What? I'm sure my grapes. My stomach decided we're hungry, so we're eating some grapes. It's like sweet, there's water. I'm good with it. The view is so pretty. Like, I love how it's like that. And I think we're trying to make a swimming pool that actually can go in deep. The greenery is amazing. I love it. So, like, yeah. Okay, so this is the. Whoa, the water is so clean. I love it. Dad's just up there. I know what he's doing up there. Like, he's just sitting there with my sister. And my mom's like, don't go there! And then they went there. Now they want me to take a picture of them. So instead of taking a picture, why not share it with us? Wow, they're taking pictures themselves also. So we just went eating. So now we are already reached the fountain, but I just went. We're having something called we have hot corn. It looks like this.